Yes, welcome to the load test of single phase transformer. In this, we are connecting a resistive load to the single phase transformer of rating 60 VA 120 volts bar 208 volts. Now, to start with, we are using the power supply 4 terminal is connected to the line in, and then N neutral is connected to the N in, okay, and then from line out connect it to the primary of the transformer 1, then from N out connect this to the other end of the primary. Now to the secondary, this is the secondary 3 and 4 are the secondary terminals. This has to be connected with the load by measuring current, and also we need to measure the current, for which from 3 we are connecting it to the ammeter, AC ammeter of 0.5 amperes, and then the return path from the ammeter is connected to the resistive load. Now the resistances are connected in series. With this. Okay. Now after this, the other end of the resistive load is to be ended at secondary of the transformer. Now across the load we need to measure the voltage. To measure the voltage across the load, this at 250 volts, and then the other end of the load is connected to the common, the voltmeter, AC voltmeter. Everything is set now. Initially now let us take the reading at no load. The reading at no load means current should be 0. The current should means everything should be off. All the switches are off. Okay. Now under this condition, let us give power supply, switch it on, apply the rated voltage. Now the primary voltage is 13.9 something, make it to 120, 72, 85, 102, 104, now the voltage, primary voltage is 120 and the current value is 23.6, and the primary voltage is power is 2.28 watts. We got I1, we are having I1, V1 and P1 at no load. What about the terminal voltage, secondary voltage? Secondary voltage is 210. Secondary voltage is it 210? For 250. Yes, it is at 210. Secondary voltage is 210. V2. And what about I2? Current flowing is 0. It means current flowing is I2 is 0. This is 210, and this value is for no load. P1 is 2.28 and I1 is 23.6, and the voltage is 120 volts, Now change the load to 1500 ohms. Let us change the load to 1500 ohms. See, these are connected in series. So 1500 means how it will be 1200 plus 300. So I will press on 1200 and then I will switch on 300. Now the load connected is 12 plus 300 is 1500. For 1500, the load is, you can write it as 29.89, power is 29.9, and the voltage is 120 same, V1, and I1 is 249.97. What about the current? I2 is 0. We have connected at 0.5. 0.5 is the middle one. It is 0.65. I2 is 0.1, 0.14. Between 1.2 and 1.4, it is between 1.2 and 1.4, 0.13. 0.13 is the current value. What about the voltage? Secondary voltage is at 200 volts. Secondary voltage is at 200 volts. Okay. Now, let us change the load to 1200. How to change the load to 1200 now? For which we want 1200. So what we will do now, we will change the configuration here. To change the configuration here, the load, what I will do, I will remove this connection and I will place it here. Now what we want a load of 1200. We want a load of 1200. For 1200, the load is, change this, set this on. When you set this on, 1200 is connected, on all other off, for which the primary current 305.3, primary power 336.65, and the voltage is 120 voltage. What about the current value? For 1200 ohms, the current value is 0.1, 0.12 and 0.14 and 0.16. 0.16 is the current value. What about the voltage? It is slightly less than 200, 195 or 198 you can say. Voltage is 198. Now, after this, let us change the load to 900. How to change the load to 900? To change the load to 900, okay, instead of going for 900, we will go for 600. Okay, to go for 600, shut this off, switch this on, that's it, 600. 600 is on. At 600, the primary and primary power 67.3, voltage 119.7, and the current is 563.1 milliamperes. Secondary current 0.35, 0.305, and the voltage is 190. Voltage is 180. Sorry, the voltage is 180. And then after 600, we are having the option of 300. So switch off 300 and switch on 300. At 300, the voltage is 118. Primary voltage is 118.7. Primary current is 1.015. And the power is 120.3. What about the secondary current? Secondary current, load current is greater than 0.5. So I will increase this to 2.5. If I increase this to 2.5, it will be 0.2.5 means 2.5 means top. 0.5, 0.6, 0.7 you can say 0.6. It is good as 0.6, slightly less than 0.6. It's okay, we will take it as 0.6. 300 reading also we took. And what about the voltage? Voltage is 170. And what is the missing value? We did not took the value of 1200. We need to set the 1200. How to set the 1200, 600 and 600 series? To make 600 and 600 series, sorry, already 1200 taken, 900 I think, 600 and 300. So what we will do, we will remove this from here. We need to set it to 900. We will connect it here and we will short this. Now we want a load of 900. So 300 is on, and also we need to switch on 600. And now the load is 900 ohms. At this 900 ohms, this is the power value. And current value, it is very low. So I will press this here. Why the current is not showing? If I am changing this to here, something is wrong. It means 300 is not working. So what we can do, we will make this 600 here and we will make this 300 here. Is it working now? All are off. Okay, there is no load. Let me switch it on. 300 and 300, 600 now. Okay, now we want 900. So I will switch this off and I will switch on 600. All of 600 and 300. I think these two resistors are not working. 600 and 300, something is not working. So no need of taking that value. We will end it here.